There are things that I talk about, which I always ask the traditional leaders when I meet them. And the question I ask, did we have laws which were our instrument to rule? And I think we did. What happened? At times I have a problem to face judges and everybody else, because I don't think they do what we did. If we are free, why are we not allowed to make our own laws that go with us and take those who are visitors to be seen, to be under our laws? I still have a problem if we don't deal with these matters, Your Excellencies, because I always feel bad that people who are under you are starving, they are poor, and I believe in a South African free state, the traditional leaders should lead the changing of the lives of our people. Yes, we do have traditional leaders and we respect them, but I think our friends who came to us don't. For example, we are a majority. Democracy, I heard the minister talking about democracy. I don't want to say something that is democracy. Partly because in our language, in Zulu, says democracy, umbuso wentando yeningi. Not so. In Sotho, what you say? Democracy in Sotho. Eh? Umbuso wabantu kabantu. But if I say this to the traditional leaders, I totally agree. That's what we agreed on. But the reality is that people who make the laws is not a majority. It's a minority in parliament. Many of you hear the law. This is the law. I'm saying this because my traditional leader, who is a son to me, called me one day to say, why was this law passed? Why didn't we know? Because they're not in parliament. It's a reality. They're not in parliament. We only do the majority on elections. On elections, we all go. That's the majority. In parliament, representatives of the majority is not a majority. But I let me not say it. So the meeting from